In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an Outlook email account from the Outlook desktop app on your computer. If you're clearing up your profile, switching accounts, or troubleshooting sync issues, this quick walkthrough will help you remove an account safely and confidently. Don't worry, removing an account from the desktop app does not delete your emails from the server. Your messages, calendar, and contacts remain accessible through the Outlook web app or any other device where the account is signed in. Let's start by opening Outlook on your computer. The easiest way is to use the search bar on your taskbar, type Outlook, and open the app from the results. Once Outlook is open, look to the top left and click File. This takes you to the Backstage view where you manage accounts and settings. Next, click Account Settings and then select Account Settings again from the dropdown. This opens a window that lists all the email accounts currently configured in your Outlook profile. It's also where you can add accounts or change existing connection settings, but today we're focusing on removing one. In the list, click the account you want to remove to highlight it, then select Remove. Outlook will show a warning explaining that the account's offline cached content, the local copy stored on your computer, will be deleted. This does not affect what's stored on the mail server. If you think you might need a local copy of your data, consider making a backup before you proceed. When you're ready, confirm by selecting Yes. Once confirmed, Outlook will remove the account from your computer. You'll see it disappear from the left navigation pane, and the mailbox, calendar, and contacts associated with that account will no longer load locally. If Outlook asks to restart, go ahead and do that to finalize the change. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you know the credentials for the account in case you want to add it back later, and give Outlook a moment to update its profile after removal, especially if you had a large mailbox. If you still need access to the messages, simply sign in through the Outlook web app where everything remains available. That's it. Clean, simple, and done. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, drop a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more straightforward tech guides.